How long does it take to heal diastasis recti? It's a very good question, and here is the answer. How long is a piece of string? There are so many variables when it comes to diastasis recti because of your pregnancy, birth, and how has your postpartum recovery been going. There's other aspects that are out of your control, such as sleep deprivation. There's nutrition aspects to it. There is so much going on that nobody can actually tell you exactly the day that your diastasis recti will be perfect again, or will be within that normal range. Now, it's not to say that the gap is everything. A 1 finger gap between those 2 six-pack muscles is classed as normal. Now, you could still have good function, good core strength with more of a gap than that. And we really need to focus on the integrity of the linear alba and the overall core strength if we're talking about that. So the reason I'm wanting to bring this up is because so many people have such a focus on, I've got a 2 finger gap, I've got a 3 finger gap, and so on. And yes, it is really important to help in that healing process, to do your core rehab exercises so that your body can start to function better. And that is what is key. It is about how your body can do the movements you need to do. So if you need to sit back up off the ground, if you need to sit back up out of bed or out of a low couch, or you want to start doing some lifting of your heavier weights, then you want your body to be able to deal with that properly without overloading other parts of your body. And by that I mean your back, or overloading and using or firing up or overfiring other muscles. So your obliques could potentially be taking all the load, and then they get tight, and then that leads into other issues, maybe now or maybe down the track. So it's a complex question, if you can't gather that. But what the key is, and particularly if you're postpartum right now, do your core rehab exercises. I'll pop a link down below. If you are pregnant right now, don't freak out, because diastasis recti is very common. Most women who carry to full term get some degree of diastasis or abdominal separation. It is normal, don't freak out. But doing the proper movements, so day-to-day activities of what to avoid and what to do, and then also your core rehab exercises, it's all going to help you, and it's all going to help you to get better and stronger and fitter sooner. I have a big issue with people wanting to feel like after 6 weeks, I'm done. I'm good, I've done my core rehab stuff, and I'm going to move back into my running or my high impact exercise. And you know what, look, let's just say it doesn't work like that. You've just had 9 months of stretching and opening, and your body has shifted, not just externally but internally. Things have moved around, your bony structure has shifted, your hips have expanded, there's lots of changes, and I need you to know that. And so to expect it to just, come back in real quick doesn't happen like that. But it's not to say you can't have better function day by day, week by week. Everything gets back better. I am one to say the first 12 months is a really big journey in your postpartum period. If you've had consecutive babies, so I'm on baby number 2, my second little boy is almost 1, and my body's certainly had a lot of a different recovery than my first, and that's because of your body's already expanded, and then it's come back, and then it's expanded again, and it's not as easy to come back again. Okay, so long-winded answer, but there is no one date, there is no one time frame. 100% do not compare yourself to any other mother. whether you know them or not, if it's somebody famous or some videos that you watch, don't compare yourself to them because you don't know all of their variables. Focus on you, focus on what you can do, and stay consistent. Doing 5 to 10 minutes daily is going to be so much better than trying to do 1 hour workout once a week. That is where my core rehab program comes in. It explains all of this in detail. It steps you week by week through those 12-week module, and I'm there to help you, and I'm there to answer any questions. So feel free, drop any questions below. I'm here to answer them, and hopefully that gives you a bit of insight as to expectations on how long it takes to heal diastasis recti.
For more videos just like this, visit productive.com.